age bracket around 23 between 28, and they were preparing for serious exams. So Karan, 26-year-old, so his wife is struggling with preparation for CDS. So he encouraged her, motivated her, and also himself teaches her for the preparation, and and also arranged the handwritten notes for her. He helped her in the household works, and also maintaining the household and indoor works. And he he made coffee for her for her late night studies. So his all helping hand made her very motivated, and later she cleared her CDS exam, and all his efforts worth it.
Hi everyone, from the given picture I perceive two characters, one male, one female, age varies from 26 to 28, both are in positive mood, and my action of the story is helping the colleague. And my story goes like, Manoj is a college graduate, graduated from Lucknow University in BSc Maths, and currently pursuing his career as a teacher in nearby village in a government school. On a regular day, he saw one of her colleague Nandini is sitting under a tree with having some problem. Manoj approached her, asked him about the condition, and Nandini replied very slowly with a modulated, very low voice that she is not feeling well and having a headache. After that, Manoj helped her by taking her to school, taking her in school dispensary and taking care of her. Later, he helped her by by reaching her house. Thank you.
And everyone, in the picture we have perceived two characters. One is male and another one is female. The age is between 28 to 30, and the action of the story is the asking about the problem what happened. Ram was a 30-year-old man, and he is asking to her wife what happened, and she replied. Sita was a 28-year-old lady. She tell about what happened in the market. She tell about that some people are going wrong with the beggar, and they are to not taken any action. They are very confused what she takes an action. Then the complete story tell with Ram. After that, Ram immediately tells about in this situation always take a positive and immediate action, complain the register in the police station, and take a strict action always to these types of people. Thank you.
Jain everyone, I have perceived total of two characters, one male, one female, in the age group of 26 to 28. Overall mood is positive, and action of my story is supporting colleague in hard times. So Manish, a software engineer working in MNC in Hyderabad. Recently, a new trainee joined in her company. Her name was Mansi. Seeing Mansi, he noticed that she was uncomfortable and was sad. On seeing that, he approached her and got to know that it's her first time moving away from his home, and she was missing his family. Seeing that, he consoled her and supported her and told her that it's part of journey, and we need to move on for getting good future. Seeing that, he recommended place in Hyderabad where she can get home cooked meals, fun activities she can do in Hyderabad, and also arranged meetups with his friend. Seeing that, she adapted quickly, made new friends, and was happy. Seeing her happy, it made him also happy. Thank you.
Jain everyone, so from the picture I perceived two characters, one was male and another was female. The age bracket was 23 to 25. The overall mood of the story is positive. The action of my story is helping wife for her further studies. Rohit and Sudha, a newly married couple, one day they both visited to a garden. There, Sudha mentioned that she wanted to study further, and Rohit, after listening to her, he together with her wife went through all over her qualifications and her achievements. After that, Rohit helped Sudha to explore more and more options. Together, they decided for a further aim to achieve, and Rohit helped her in making a pathway to successfully achieve the goal. And after that, they together decide to together decide the goal that she wanted to pursue, and after that they both came back to home, and Rohit further helped her in her studies.
Jai Hind, I have pursued total of 2 characters, a male and female. Both are in positive moods and the age bracket between 26 to 28 years. So Rahul, a young officer in the Indian Army, came back from his posting, giving a surprise to her wife. Coming back from the posting, he surprises her wife, and then he asked her to come with her. He took her to the garden where he took her to the place under a tree where they used to meet years before. Taking her to that garden made her wife very emotional and surprised. She was very emotional, but in happy tears. She visited the garden. She was very happy to be there with him because of ongoing situation. They spent their time there. They enjoyed the moment, and then they came back to their home.
Jai Hind everyone, from the picture given I have perceived 2 characters. One is male and other is female. Age bracket is between 28 and 29. The main protagonist of my story is Anuj, who is 29 years old, who works for a tech firm, and he along with his colleague were given a project to complete within a given deadline. So working for long duration, they got tired and decided to stroll outside. While strolling and sitting on a bench, they also discuss about the new idea that they are going to implement on the project. The ideas they implemented were adding firewall as well as anti-phishing techniques in their project. They added the technologies in the project, and their project became a great success, and they both were praised for their project. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived 2 characters, one is male and the second one is female. Age bracket between 25 to 28. Ram, a 28-year-old IT grad working in Infosys as a software engineer, upon reaching his office, he saw that her female friend was sitting in a park and was emotional and was sad. Upon confronting her, she told her that she has failed in the interview. Upon consulting to her about the problem, he helped her, telling her that she has the potential. She has to work on the subjects like computer science, coding languages like Python, so that and improve her communication skills, which will be resulting in her clearing the interview. Upon her hard work and the guidance by his friend Ram, she successfully cleared the interview and thanked her. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, in the picture shown to us I have perceived 2 characters, one male, one female, age ranging from 34 to 36, all over mood being positive. Action of my story is Ram, who was on home and reaching back to his duty. Now my story goes like this. Ram, 36, a defense personnel from Bhopal, was on leave because of his family function, and due to the ongoing disputes on the border, he was called by his commanding officer for the urgent duty. Ram shared this news with her wife, and her wife consoled him and motivated him and said that this is the right time to show the bravery. Ram went back to the duty and performed really well. Because of his performance, he was praised by his commanding officer as well as teammates for the bravery showed on the battlefield. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given image I have perceived mainly 2 characters. One is male, other is female. Age bracket is 24 to 25-year-old, all over mood is positive. Action of my story is helping the wife to overcome dizziness. Rahul 25 was got the opportunity to attend the 51st raising day of his company, for which he with his wife leaving for the function. Meanwhile, Rahul observed that his wife is feeling dizziness in the midway, for which he he saw one of the park nearby where he took her wife, and meanwhile he encountered that due to dehydration she was feeling the dizziness, for which he provided water and some electrolytes, and also made her feel comfortable by making the sari comfortable. And furthermore, while she felt comfortable, they visited to the function and attended the function, made some memories by clicking the pictures, and meanwhile on the time they came back to the home to make her feel comfortable at the home. Thank you.
Jain everyone. From the picture shown, I perceive two characters, one male, one female, in the age bracket of 28 years, all in the mood positive. The action of my story is helping the friend in getting the job and maintaining financial stability. Dhruv was working in MNC. One day when he went to his hometown, he got to know about the financial instability and not in good condition of one of his friends. He, due to her husband was laid off from the company. He immediately rushed towards her, consoled her, made her calm, and also motivated her. He firstly took the resume and also made her registered in the PM internship scheme so as to get the experience. He thereafter also made her develop certain skills, that is artificial intelligence and the machine learning. Thereafter, he also made her referred in one of his firm, which made her get the employment and also maintain the financial stability in her family, and also made her healthy and wealthy. Thank you.